Yeah.
Here's cheese. I don't know what flavor, but this is good. I'm gonna spin with it. Ready? Look, look.
She's retarded. You could draw her no booty self. Weed. Weed. Remember today it was like weed. Like smoke some weed.
Welcome.
And he was like smoke some weed.
Dude, it's so funny. It's like weed.
You just took a picture of it random. Weed. Oh yeah, you told me that. She got beat up. She be getting freaky with the chair. You can see the outlines of your ass.
Yeah, I want to do my right.
Your butt crack.
What do you mean?
Like, you know when your pants are real tight and you bend over, you can see like the outline of your butt crack.
Come here, Jasmine. Come here. You know what we do? Yeah. Not homo-ish.
If I cared to fell when she hit her head, I would be laughing.
Stop laughing.
Yo.
Shut your cell phone.
No one says cell phone.
Jasmine, come get your sandals.
Jasmine, you go turn off the TV because you're the one that turned it on.
Go. Go. Wait. You guys. Everybody.
You haven't picked me up before?
Yeah. Everybody that watches our videos, would you want to be a friend of mine? Okay. Now, stop, Arnold.
Talk louder.
If I walk like this, would you still be my friend? Would you still be... Yeah. Would you still be my friend? No. Would you be a friend of mine?
Jasmine, move. No one wants you in this. Jasmine! We already had this conversation already in your last couple videos. Leave. Jasmine!
Oh, crap. No. No. No.
I'm sure you do, Jackie.
You know where cheese is made from?
Horse ass!
Maybe borrow that top. Maybe borrow that top. I mean, that's just... Maybe borrow that top. No.
We already got 440. 441. 42.
Just bang and drink.
4. 5.
I know you guys wish you had this cheese right now.
Yeah, we do.
Oh, so you're getting a piece.
Right there. That's what it is. Stop throwing that at me.
makes a weird noise.
Throw it at somebody else.
Come here, Jasmine.
No.
Now run that cop. Watch. 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 Wait.
Watch something else.
She's afraid. Yeah. I have to do this with my thumbs. Guess what else I can do? Guess.
What? Think of what I'm gonna do.
Come up to the... I got a stain on my shirt from our 8th grade.
Let's go to the mirror.
Bitch.
Let's go to the mirror.
What are you doing? Get up.
Come to the mirror. I'm not playing. Come. What? Come.
Vicky, she's like a dog.
She's humping you. Yeah.
I just wanted to let you know.